What if the solar system was a giant fruit salad just waiting to be sliced open? Imagine each planet as a unique, dramatic treat. Let's see what happens when we take a giant knife to them. First up, Mercury. As the blade presses in, the crust cracks with a brittle snap, revealing a shimmering silvery core that glows with intense heat. Wisps of vapor hiss out, and the surface flakes away like burnt sugar, leaving behind a metallic, molten center that pulses with energy, almost too hot to look at. Cutting into Mercury is like slicing a superheated potato. Steam bursts out, and the inside glows a dull red, radiating waves of heat that make the air shimmer. Next, Venus. The knife sinks through a thick golden crust, and suddenly, toxic clouds billow out in swirling yellow and green. The layers inside are dense and sticky, oozing with acidic, bubbling syrup. The whole planet steams like a boiling cauldron, and the air is thick with the scent of sulfur. Definitely not for eating. Now, Earth. Slice us in half and you'll see a crisp, rocky crust that gives way to a gooey, molten mantle. Thick, orange-red lava oozes out, glowing and bubbling. Deeper still, the core pulses like a golden yolk, radiating heat and light. The scent is earthy and metallic, and the textures shift from crunchy to sticky to liquid fire. Yummy, if you're into lava. Mars? The knife scrapes through a dusty, rust-red crust, sending clouds of fine powder into the air. Inside, it's dry and crumbly, like a stale red velvet cake. No gooey center here, just layers of brittle rock and frozen dust. Jupiter and Saturn are trickier. Press the knife in and the surface gives way with a soft pop. Instantly, swirling clouds of white, orange, and gold explode outward, filling the air with a storm of vapor and lightning. There's no solid center, just endless churning storms and flashes of electric blue. It's like slicing a giant balloon filled with chaos and color. Uranus and Neptune? The knife crunches through a frosty blue shell, and icy vapor spills out in shimmering waves. Inside, it's a swirling mix of deep blue slush and frozen crystals, so cold it stings your skin. The air sparkles with tiny ice shards, and the whole scene glows with an eerie electric blue light. So, next time you look up, just remember, the solar system is totally unsliceable, unless you've got an imagination as huge as space.